Yes.
Can I share?
1 minute. Yeah, now you
Yeah.
can share.
Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. So, to get the salary hike, we will continue from here. So to get the promotion and to get a salary hike, the teachers has to finish the 5 hours of continuous professional development. Then about the implementation, we know that it's a huge program. So to finish it, it will take time. So by 2040 only, the program will be completely implemented. Now, as like other, as like other, just a minute, ma'am. Sorry.
No issues.
Uh, Sorry. Yeah. Shall we continue?
Yes, of course, it's an MM. No worries, you can continue.
Yeah. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Okay.
So about the criticism, as like other policies, this NEP 2020 also have faced a lot of criticism. So the first one is language policy concerns. So we talked about like what all things are included in the language policy. So the criticism is that it gives a burden to the students by including the importance by giving an exposure to the lot of the language, and it becomes compulsory that the students has to learn the foreign language, so that will be a burden to the children. And the second one is that Hindi imposition, that is Hindi is not our national language. So, but according in NEP 2020, it's imposing Hindi in all the states. So that is one of the criticism that are faced in NEP 2020, and up to grade 5, the education will be in a regional language that we already discussed. But in all the regional language, there will not be a quality learning materials. So that is also one of the criticism that faced. And there will be schools that is English medium schools. So such medium schools will be there. So if the education is up to grade 6, if it is in a regional language, they have to change their medium. So that is very difficult. So that is also one of the criticism that are faced in NAP 2020. And the next thing is that the second point is that implementation and funding challenges. To implement this project, it need a lot of funds. So who will be providing all these funds? From where we can resource this fund? So this is a question mark in NEP 2020. And the third one is a centralization of the power. We know that the education is comes in concurrent list. That is the state and the central government is having the rights, but this structure, that is NEP 2020, that gives more power to the central government, and the state government is like just an implementing agency. So that is also one of the criticism that faced. And the fourth one is a digital divide. So it gives more importance to the technology. So there in, and it is also telling that in all the schools there should be uh, equally that technology and system has to be there. But how can all this, there will be economical barriers to the schools, so how they can implement this digital system in all the schools equally, and who will be providing the fund mm, for this implementation. So such questions are there. And one of the thing is that it gives importance to the technology. So there will be places in which there is no internet, non-availability of the internet, no technology. So what about all these places, such regions? So about such regions, and it is not mentioned in NEP 2020. So for them, they will not get the quality that mentioned in NEP 2020. So that is one of the criticism that faced. And about the fifth point, vocational education debate. That is, we already told that from the grade 6, it is compulsory that a child has to acquire a vocational skill and they have to do the internship. It is compulsory. So the critics are saying that is it, and it is too early to introduce a vocational skill in an educational system, and they are talking about the internship program. So it's safety issues are there, and there should be that much. And every school and the children from the grade 6 will be doing this. So that much skilled people should be there. That much places should be there, and there is an issue of the safety too, because the children are very small. So that is one of the criticism faced. And about the 6 point, examination reform skepticism. So we already told that in it will be very simple. Exam will be very easier. It is giving only importance to the core concept, and there will be in every year there will be 2 exams, and main exam and improvement. So from this structure, it is losing the importance of the examination. It's not giving that much importance to the examination, and assessment is not happening, is not going to happen properly. So that is one of the criticism. And about the seventh, the higher education concerns. So we already told that in higher education there will be multiple entry and access system. So the main purpose is that no one, because of any reason, uh, the students don't have to leave, don't have to drop their education. Wherever you stop, you can start from there. So that is the purpose. And if you are getting a better opportunity, you can go for that, and there will be no like it gives importance to continue the education. But if you are providing the certificates or recognition after each year, and if they are getting a better job or career, if there are opportunities to start the career after 1 year or 2 year, then the students will not continue their education. Actually, it is not at the purpose. The purpose is to continue their education at any cost. But if they are getting job at earlier stage, no one will wants to continue their education. So that is also one of the concern. And the eighth point is that the teacher preparedness issues. That is, all this um, system has to be carried out by the teachers. So the existing teachers need the training. They have to be mentally prepared. They need the technology. They have to learn the technology, how the things are going to happen. So the teachers need a lot of preparation, and that is going to be take a lot of time. And to implement this, we need a large number of teachers. So that is also one of the concern. And about the equity and inclusion gaps, uh, in it's mentioned that they will be providing the inclusion fund, but how it is going to be allocated, so much clarity is not there about this equity and inclusion. So these are the criticism that is faced by NEP 2020. Yes, now let's move to the conclusion. NEP 2020 is a transformative reform shaping 21st century education. It focuses on the equality, inclusion, access for all, to promote holistic, flexible, and multidisciplinary learning, and it strengthens foundational literacy and the teacher empowerment. And it's a visionary step towards nation building and global excellence. That's it. Thank you so much.
Ah, thank you so much, Ruxana ma'am. So everybody can have your queries with our Ruxana ma'am.
Then if you have any doubt or
Yeah.
any feedback, any, yeah, you can share.
What you feel, Ruxana ma'am, is this possible to implement in our education system? But what I am handling some kids, okay? So that kids, what all the policies you are saying, that school is trying to follow. But kids also having lot of challenges and parents also having lot of confusions and expectations. Why? Because it's a sudden
Mhm.
transformation of education, no? So we can
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
feel the generational challenges also, expectation, and also what the kids are moving towards this education system. So whether it's how to handle it, how to make it possible in a good way, where there should be a change, where there should be a uh, what we have to do, where something has to be done by someone. So that one, whether teachers playing the role or parents play the role or kids play the role, who or government plays the role.
Actually, it should be an cooperative, like everyone should include
Everyone.
that. So
Yes.
actually, yeah, as ma'am told that, no, actually, in this NEP 2020, we already told that, technology is at advanced level. So we have to change the educational system. Our educational system is not able to compete with the foreign universities or foreign educational system. So we have to rise our quality. Definitely, we have to rise our quality. But the thing is that a sudden change to a new educational system, that is very difficult. Actually, it needs time to implement the system. And now the challenge is that the states can refuse this NEP,
Yeah.
like the
We can
states like
understand.
Kerala and some like I think
Tamil
that
Nadu.
Tamil
Yeah, they are
Nadu, so they
refusing.
refused because
Yeah.
no, that's because of this. Like the states can refuse. So actually, it was better that by including all the states' concerns, if they build a system by taking all the concerns from the states to have a quality education, that would have been a better, so that can
Yeah.
implement, that state will be ready to implement also.
Yes,
So
wise,
and
wise.
yeah,
Great.
so that was better. But the system is this NEP. If we are looking into this, it is a very good policy, and we are getting a lot of opportunities. Then the students will be, and it can contribute to our national growth also. But it is having challenges also there, because some portions are not uh, how to implement that, things are not clearly mentioned.
Yes. Thank you, Salama.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, come with your questions.
Hi, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
here we mentioned the graduation, post graduation, and all. So there
Yeah.
is many professional courses like MBBS and other paramedical courses also. So what about
Yes.
that, ma'am? How can we implement this to them, ma'am?
Actually, this NEP 2020 is not applicable to the medical and the law field. That's actually I forgot to mention. In that field, it is not applicable. That field is not mentioned in NEP 2020.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Hello.
actually, I want to say, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Come.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, continue.
No, no, ma'am. I was
Ma'am,
inviting my students to ask questions.
yeah. So one thing is that I'm also pursuing the like Montessori education. Like I'm from the batch 87. So it's not just finished. So as like I'm also like yours only. So as part of my like a presentation topic, I took this topic. So I'm also like yours only, just a senior from
Yes.
87.
It's good exploration, ma'am. I'm so interested on each and everything what you have shared. It's so exploring and new one. For me, it's so inspired. So yes, I need many questions from everybody. If there is no questions, we have to create a questions for our Roxana, ma'am. Come on, everybody.
Ma'am, isn't it unfair that South Indian states now those children have to learn Hindi? We already have to learn English and our native language. So why is this Hindi imposition? Isn't it better to use that time to learn English and maybe other foreign languages? Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was told that the foreign languages are introducing, but that is from the secondary stage only. So the idea behind this Hindi imposition is that no, we are in India, so India they are considering Hindi as a national language, and they are telling that the regional language, the educational system up to grade 5, it should be in a regional language because they are thinking that the children will understand if we are providing the instruction or the materials in their regional language. So that is the idea behind that. It's making compulsory that, but it's compulsory that they have to learn up to grade 6 in regional language. So that is the criticism that faced. It is compulsory that it has to be in regional language.
Yeah, technically, India doesn't have a national language. It has
Yes,
two
yes,
official languages, English and Hindi. So we are learning English, right? So why learn Hindi? What about our native languages? Those are Indian languages too, right, ma'am?
yes, ma'am.
That's
We are having an opportunity. It's giving an opportunity to learn the various language, not only your regional language. I told that in the language formula, the second language it comes, you can choose any language from any of the state. Like any language you can choose for as second language, and the foreign language comes as the third language.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
But when kids were exposing to this foreign language, no, they will be attracted towards that. My student will say, what she'll say means, why I have to study my mother language? For me, it's enough to talk. I'm going to study in abroad. No need my language for me. It's enough for me to talk. So I'm going to study after my 12th in abroad. So French is enough. That's more than, and she's so enjoyable in learning that French also. But when we
Yes,
give
ma'am.
our language to them, no, it's a headache for them. That the image what the system is creating among the students, it's creating the language impact on them also. So that also true. We are
Yes.
using the kids. Some political influence also is there, no?
Yes, ma'am. So one thing is about this one is that we told that in early stage if we are introducing a new language, the children can learn very easily. So
Easily.
in the secondary stage, from there if we are introducing as a new language, then it becomes a little bit difficult. And we all are familiar with our regional language. So along with the regional language, if we are introducing any foreign language, the children will be getting interested and also they will learn very fast, but in secondary stage only, from secondary stage only, the new foreign language will be introducing.
Yes. Good.
Yeah, you can learn about, you can go through the PDF and a lot of things are there. So that is available
Yes, ma'am.
and take your time and you can go through that. Yes, ma'am. Any
Yes.
other questions?
Any other questions is there? If not, we can have our vote of thanks, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ashley, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for that wonderful and informative section. It was truly enlightening and beneficial for all of us. Now I would like to invite Selena ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Ashley, ma'am. So, good afternoon, everyone. It's my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks for today's enriching guest class on management and principles of management. First and foremost, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Ms. Ruxana Riaz for delivering such an insightful session on NEP 2020, a new vision for holistic learning. Your valuable insights and real life examples have helped us clearly understand the importance of modern education and management practices. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to Anaka ma'am and for her warm and inspiring welcome. My special thanks to our great faculty P. Anandi ma'am NCTC of NCTC for organizing and guiding this wonderful session. I would also like to appreciate the efforts of our Anger Ashley ma'am for conducting the program so smoothly and confidently. Finally, I would like to thank all of our respected full of our students for your active participation and support, which made this session a great success. Once again, thank you, ma'am, Miss Roxana Riaz, and everyone for being a part of this meaningful program. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you for coming, and your presence really made for us a special, and I am expressing my gratitude for being you as a guest in my batch. It was a good time and joy to have you, Roxana ma'am. So happy. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Shall I leave?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you
Roxana.
so much.
Yes. Okay. So we can have our bye-bye song, ma'am. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. Come on with bye bye song. Or any discussions you want.
Ma'am,